Well, welcome to learn data validation part 3. We have already learned simple data validation and the data validation by using drop-down list. We also create a drop-down list by using data validation from some certain values that is in from Excel list, and we have also created a drop-down list by using our stored values. Now come to advanced data validation. In this section we are going to learn one data validation is dependent to other data validation. That is, for example, if you have some category, that is fruit, furniture, electronics or any other goods, and in fruits you have nut, apple, pineapple, banana, watermelon, guava, etc. Furniture, door, chair, table, etc. Electronic goods also. If you first select the category, then the list of this category item load in next data validation field. Let's start. First go to the Excel sheet. Okay. Here is the example. Suppose here is category, and when we select furniture, then in item list all the values loaded from here to here. Okay, when we select fruits, then the list of fruits loaded in this section. So let's start how we can do it. At first you need to select or write down the category, that is category fruit, furniture and electronics. In fruits we have some fruit name, and in furniture we have some furniture name, and same as electronic goods. So we need to first define those names. Okay, in that case first select the fruit values, and here you named as fruits. In the same way, second we need to select this value as furniture and named here the cell name is furniture. Same as the electronic goods, select and then write down here electronic. Okay, so we have fruits, we have furniture and electronics. Okay, now in category first we start drop down list. In that case first go to data, then data validation option, then select the list here and the category list, then just click OK. Okay, drop down list is created by this three different category. Then another part, then the item, how this item list is dependent on this category. Okay, let's start. First select the cell, go to data, then click data validation list, and we need to write some logical formulas here. This is so simple, that is C4, that is the category type, equal to if fruits, and this fruits name we have already defined. If that is fruits, we tell him load fruits. If that is furniture, we told him load furniture, and if that is electronic, we told load electronics, and then ending the three brackets. Okay, then click OK. You will all done. Then you can see that when you select the electronics, only electronics goods are loaded here. This is all for today. Hope you are enjoying learning this section, and hope you have no problem in data validation section. If you face any problem or face difficulty, please comment in below. I will catch you up. Thank you. Goodbye.